We have something from Abbott Labs, which is right here, and that's a 5-minute test, highly accurate.
President Trump saying 1 million tests have now been completed and is now showing off a 5-minute testing kit. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo calling on healthcare workers around the country to come help out if they can. This as New York City becomes the epicenter of the U.S. outbreak. Hospitals overwhelmed and the U.S. Navy hospital ship Comfort pulling into port and a field hospital now up in Central Park.
In this battle, the troops are healthcare professionals. Those are the troops who are fighting this battle for us. We need to recruit more healthcare workers. We need to share healthcare professionals within this state and within this country.
On the other side of the country, Los Angeles also expecting a spike in cases across the city. Authorities in Florida say that it could be the middle of May before cases peak there, but a crowded church service on Sunday has raised alarm. Now, police are taking new action across the country to enforce social distancing orders. ABC's Andrea Fujii has a story.
Despite a safer at-home order, this live-stream video of a Tampa, Florida church service has ignited outrage, showing a crowded sanctuary. The church saying they should be considered an essential service.
People are going totally crazy. As the president said, he wants to get everybody back worshiping God come Easter Sunday. That needs to happen.
President Trump has now changed that timeline, and that pastor now arrested for failing to follow the stay-at-home order in his county.
His reckless disregard for human life put hundreds of people in his congregation at risk and thousands of residents who may interact with them this week in danger.
And in Louisiana, despite a ban on large gatherings and a warning from the governor about their coronavirus cases quickly rising, hundreds of parishioners came to a church outside Baton Rouge, angering neighbors.
Y'all need to shut the church down!
Also, this street parade was held Saturday in New Orleans. The mayor telling CNN overnight it won't happen again.
Our musician community, our cultural bearers have stepped up and said, hey, no more in the city of New Orleans. This is very serious here, and our people are dying.
And in Washington state, although this church choir practiced social distancing, 2 people are dead and dozens more sick. The group rehearsed right before the health department recommended no large gatherings. Now, choir members are remembering the victims.
We sat within 8 feet of her once a week for years, and now that chair's empty.
Cases across the country have now topped 140,000. More than 2,400 people have died from contracting the coronavirus.